Well, day 10, we woke up to rain. Didn't put the rain fly on the tent last night, so I had to get up in the middle of the night and rush to get it on. Yeah, no rain gear, and it's raining. But it's not like crazy raining, but enough we're gonna get wet. So I'm gonna find some coffee. Maybe. You know where we're at?
Yeah. Somewhere in Washington.
We're somewhere in Washington right now. Just bombing down 395. Stopped here at this Chevron. Riding's kind of lame today.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it's quick, but it's just fast and it's blustery. Shoulders are all tight already from just being beat up.
Just going wobbling around.
But we're getting places.
Yeah.
Our goal is Crow Butte Park for our last night. It definitely feels like we're heading home.
Yeah, for sure.
So
It's coming to an end.
Coming to an end.
So check out these wooden sidewalks. It's kind of cool. They got some modern stuff over there, but go for these wooden steps. Cool old style town. There's gonna be a lot of shops and stuff here for tourists. That's kind of cool. So I'm just outside of Jackson, Wyoming. Teton, I think is what it's called. That's where the restaurant I chose is gonna be. That was a decent run. There was a pass on 33 that would just seem like it climbed forever, and the grade was 10%. It was crazy. 20-mile-an-hour curves, 10% grade. It was cool. Bike didn't like it, pulling the trailer up that stuff, but it worked. That was I don't know, it's 10:30 now, so I left about 8, so that was 2.5 hours. One small break in between, and to get gas, and there it is. I'll check back with you a little later.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun.
So we started in Coeur d'Alene.
Yeah,
Here
Coeur
we are in
d'Alene,
Prosser.
the town Prosser. We're at Crow Butte State Park. Super windy, but it's a cool spot.
Yeah.
We're gonna look for rattlesnakes. The riding today was just, we were just moving.
Yeah.
And
is
being moved by
blustery.
the wind. Fuck, it was windy.
Some sketchy passes, but
Yeah.
Met a cool trucker
yeah,
who rides.
yeah, Canadian trucker.
Yeah, he was a
Yeah,
cool guy.
that guy was cool.
Yeah. Overall, great day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for the last night,
Old
friends
and
new
new roads.
All friends and roads.
I got a lot of shit in my cup. What's all that floating stuff?
it's just,
Some too?
yeah, it's just hard living.
Camp seasonings. Did you try yours yet?
It's that second hit, man. It gets you in the chest. It's smooth, still smooth.
Yeah. Night two, it was just unbearable.
Yeah.
But
Wonder if it has to do with the temperature of the
Super
bottle
good.
all day. God, that burned.
Bye.